Hi, my name is Munchkins. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Have you ever bought dry beans and because it's really cheap and now you're wondering what do you do with it? Well, I usually use the pressure cooker to boil it up. So yeah, if you want to know how to use a pressure cooker, just continue watching the video. If you're wondering what pressure cooker you should buy, I don't think you need to buy the most expensive one. This is practically the cheapest one that was available when I bought it, and I've been using this for like 3 years now and it still works just fine. The first thing I do is I soak my beans in plenty of water. Do this overnight. You will not regret this because it will cut down the cooking time quite a bit.
The next day.
Now you can see the soaked beans, they're pretty murky. A lot of the phytates, you can look up the word phytate, P-H-Y-T-A-T-E. It has been removed from the beans, and now we rinse this. I like to do a little at a time to remove as much phytates as possible. And just place this into the food. Just place this into the pressure cooker. Now you've got all your beans in the pressure cooker, just fill it up with... I fill it up with cold water because it's just cleaner. Make sure the water is at least around 5 centimeters above the beans. That's about 2.5 inches. Now I place the lid on and lock the pressure cooker. And I turn the heat up to maximum. At this point we wait until it starts whistling, because we need to boil up the water to build some pressure. This will take about 20 minutes.
11 minutes later.
Now as you can see, this red dot, it came up. It means it's time to close the valve. And then lower the heat to minimum. So you can do this however long you want, depending on how hard you want the beans. Some people do 20 minutes, but I like it extra soft, so I'm doing it for half an hour. Now it has been half an hour, so I just remove it from the heat and let it cool for another 10 minutes. And I only open it when this pressure goes down.
20 minutes later.
Now this red dot has gone down, means the pressure is okay, or the pressure has left, and we can safely open this. Careful, it's a little bit hot. Then if you want, you can also check on the beans. So it's a bit hot. I like to see that it's easy to press. As you can see, mine is very soft. That's how I like it. If it's your first time boiling beans with a pressure cooker, you should try different times. So maybe I've seen on websites, some say 10 minutes, some say 20 minutes. So you can try at first 10 to 20 minutes and see if you like it. But for me, I prefer half an hour. I feel like the extra 10 minutes helps a lot. When my beans are done boiling, I usually split it up into 4 separate containers. As I store some in the freezer and some in the fridge. So if I'm going to use it immediately, I store it in the fridge. And if I want to use it a few days from now, I store it in the freezer. So it's up to you how you want to store it. And I store it underneath the water so it doesn't dry out or get damaged. So all I do is put the lid on. I put the lid on and then I store it in the freezer or the fridge. Did you find this video useful? If you did find it useful, please give me a thumb up. I would appreciate it a lot. And also please subscribe for more videos in the future. Stay safe. Love you. Bye.